you wish to be treated. If you bump into a complete knobhead, don't be surprised, there's loads of them out here. I'd have flown 10 hours to do this. Yeah, they're good. They're going back down the... Oh my God, look at that view. It's breathtaking. Definitely not. Easy. Yeah. All I gotta do is check my diary that I've not got something lined up, like a director's meeting or a, you know, a conference with a load of suppliers or so. As long as I've got nothing organised, I can, no problem. My diary's a little bit busy for the next 2 or 3 weeks, but yeah, we can have a look. Hey ladies, all okay? Plenty of water? Jolly good. Well, if you fell off, I wouldn't mind falling on both of them because they look well made, didn't they? Peru will definitely make one of our top 5s. What is the flag of Peru? You've got to watch these big ruts, they're nasty. You see a little Peruvian drug smuggler stick his head in AK-47 out of one back there. I think we stumbled upon a lab. We are right out in the cuds of a little place called Rata, which a lot of people, if you've been to Peru before, Rata is the little place that you never went to. And that's why me and Tom are here. We're showing you what you missed. Look it up on the map, Rata. Beautiful place. We're going to be having some Parisian food for our lunch, which we're excited about. Our guide's going to meet us at the bottom of this range with some fuel, and they're all carrying rifles because they said there's a lot of wild boar up here. They're feral, they breed rapidly. The indigenous population are scared of them. They kill their crops, they take over the land, and we've just got to be very careful we don't see those hogs. Oh my god, don't say that. Is it dodgy then? Is it rutty? I want to watch what's going on. I can't see what the crack is. It looks like hard enduro. No, I'm going straight across there. Well, do you want me to wait here for you? You going to have a look? That it just looks like a straightforward bit of traction there, going further down.
It's just a drop into it.
Is it? Yeah. Just wheelie in then. Just wheel it in. Oh fuck me, it's quite a drop, yeah. I should have gone across there, look, into the top of it and just gone across there. I'm gonna have to walk it off because there's nowhere to put your foot. I'm through now. I made a right pig's ear of that. Hard enduro.